Pack number 2, 2000 Skybox. Hobby. $28 at the local toy store at the mall. Very interesting store, by the way. Deuce Staley. Rashawn Sheehy. That's how I think you pronounce it. Fred Taylor. Cards are sticking a little bit. Corey Simon. Des White. Terrell Davis. Monster running back. Jermaine Fazande. I think I'm saying that right. Tony Banks. Champ Bailey. Best corner in the league at the time. Michael Bates. And that's it. No star rubies this time. Definitely lost money on this pack, but it's still fun. Good to see the old cards again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.